Hello everyone. In this video we will see about the reporting part which covers the examination thing. So as you can see here the reporting, how the different exam reports we can pull out and it can be utilized. Now the exam reports can be on the basis of the exam taken and the exam compensation. So first of all we'll go through with the exam taken report here. Now here, as you can see on the screen, we can go ahead and apply the filters as for the class wise, where the class will come the respective section or the any particular or all subjects. And after that, once you click on show results, below one report will come up which will show the number of exams being taken by subject wise for that particular class in section. Now here you can see the first column is a subject one with Hindi, English, Math, Social Science and Science. And then you can see the respective months right from June till March, and you can see the number of exams being conducted for these respective subjects here. So this really gives a very good idea of the past months as well and of the whole academic year, that per month what were the number of the exams that were being conducted in the institute here. Moving towards the next part, which is about the exam report depends upon the exam composition factor. Now here a couple of reports will come up in which the first report you can see where the chapter wise the total number of questions were asked along with the respective weightage and how many questions were included in the test. Now you can see the first table from chapter 1, the total question asked were 10. The percentage weightage in terms of marks was 10% and how many questions were included in the question paper were 10. So like this, everyone can get a better idea that in terms of the reconciliation, what should be the ideal scenario versus what was the scenario and how much we were nearby or we were far away from the respective target. Similarly, on the right hand side here, you can see the graphical representation of the same data where the chapter wise you can see the number of respective questions that came up as per the percentage thing. In this form of report only, once you'll scroll down here, now the exam chapter composition has been defined on the different Bloom levels. That means the different levels through which a student normally goes through it. Now here you can see the different levels are like remembering, understanding, knowledge, and analysis. Now on the basis of remembrance, what was the question were asked, what was the percentage, how many were included into the test or exam. Same goes for your understanding, knowledge, and analysis level. And in the right hand side, you can see the same report in a form of a chart representation in a circle in which you will get an idea that overall the whole class examination, what was the complete ratio depending upon these Bloom levels parameters. Now the next phase that we have presented in terms of the table is about the difficulty levels. Now the questions being categorized as easy, medium, hard, and very hard. What was the number of questions that were asked in the examination? What was the percentage in terms of weightage, and what things that they were supposed to be, what that particular number should have been included in that particular question paper. Now that whole comparative table is being presented out here through this reporting part, and of course followed by the representative chart presentation here in terms of this thing. Now moving towards the next part is a combination of a chapter wise and the difficulty level. Now here you can see the chapters list, the chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the different questions on easy, medium, hard, and very hard. What was the respective percentage that these questions were being put it on into the examination? And this really helps to get a glimpse that okay, the overall results that has come in the examination, all these percentages have a very good contribution in that. As for example, if the percentage of the easy questions are more, then of course your results are going to be like more marks oriented, you will get more better marks. Similarly, if your percentage of hard question is more, then of course the results will vary accordingly. So such type of analysis can be done very easily through these numbers here, and of course we can plan out the further examination analysis on the same thing. Similarly, on the right hand side, you can see the graphical representation where chapter wise, again on easy, medium, and hard, what was the ratio, what was the percentage, the questions have covered up in the exams that has been categorized here. Coming to the last table here, where you will find a combination of easy, medium, and hard, along with that the Bloom levels. Now this permutation combination has been shown down here that okay, in terms of remembering, understanding, knowledge, analysis, what was the percentage of the questions that came up, and again how much were easy, hard, and medium, and according to that we have done a chart presentation here. So like this, very easily, and a complete examination analysis can be done where not only about the number of exams to be conducted, but also the type of questions could be in the terms of the easy, hard, and medium, or in the terms of the analytical and the understanding one, or the other Bloom levels. It can be analyzed very easily, and the complete examination structured can be very well designed on these particular parameters. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.